Okay, so it is 8 o'clock. We will start. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhirbhavatu me sada. So we'll start 9th chapter today. So first we will see the Sukti. So Sukti is Indropi Lagutam Yati Swayam Prakhyapitair Gunaihi. So if we see, there is one sandhi which is familiar to us. So Indraha api, it became Indropi. So Indra also. Laghu tam, Laghu is small, Laghu tam means small. Yati, Yati is Gachati. So Indraha api Laghutam Gachati. So Indra also becomes small, or yeah, you can say not in size wise but small. When he becomes small, Swayam Prakhyapitaihi Gunaihi. Gunaihi is your the qualities. Prakhyapitaihi means established. So Swayam self. So even if you are putting your merits your own, your goodness your own, then even if you are Indra, then also you will go to loss, or you will become small. So what it is trying to tell, if you boast yourself, then no one is going to grow. You certainly are not. You will go to some smaller character or size, whatever you are before this. So that is what Indra api laghutam yati swayam prakhyapitaihi gunaihi. So we'll come to Chatu Shloka. So Chatu Shloka is again whatever that time was. So whoever were making money those times, it is about them. So दैवज्यत्वं मान्त्रिकत्वं भैषज्यं चाटुकौशलम् एकैकमर्थलाभाय द्वित्रयोगस्तु दुर्लभः. It's a very simple shloka. Daivajyatvam. Daivajyatvam means Daiva is fate. Jatvam is for knowledge. So one who knows your fate. So that is astrologer. So mantrikatvam. Mantrika is made from mantra. So one who does some, you can say something which is not very easy from mantra, like some magic or some special thing. So that is mantrikatvam. Then bhaishajya. Bhaishajya is for medical. So bhaishajyam. So that they all are the professions it is telling. Chatu Kaushalam. Chatu is for speaking, so public speaking kind of that. Then Kaushalam, or you can say gift of means somebody who is a very good speaker. So that gift Chatu Kaushalam. So four professions are here. Daivajyatvam, astrologer. Mantrikatvam, somebody who does some magic. Bhaishajyam, doctors. Chatu Kaushalam, so public speakers. So now also most of them are relevant. Ekaikam, so one only. Ekaikam artha labhaya. Artha is money, labhaya is to earn or to get. So one is enough for anyone. Ekaikam, anyone is enough for money, earning money. Dvitra yogastu yogaha tu durlabhaha. So any two or three. Yoga means combination, addition. Tu, emphatic. Durlabha. Durlabha means it is rare. It is not sulabha. It is opposite durlabha. So dur is pratyaya and labha, durlabha. So this one is simple only. Sandhi wise, if you see, there is this. This one is not sandhi, but it is the combination ekaikam arthalabhaya. Then dvitra yoga. There is a visarga sandhi. Dvitra yoga tu durlabha. So this is because of visarga sandhi. Next comes the samasya. So today's samasya is Shat Chandram Nabhastalam. So Nabhastalam means at the Nabha is sky, at the sky Shat Chandram. There are 100 moons. So if you see this much only, then it's a samasya. Shat Chandram Nabhastalam. So how the samasya is solved? By knowing the complete shloka. So Damodar Karaghat Bihvalikrit Chetasa Drishtam Chadurmalena Shatchandram Nabhastalam. So Damodara is Krishna. Karaghat. So they were doing Dvandva Yuddha, right? One to one. So Kara is hand. Aghat is when he used that his hand into to attack in Dvandva, whatever was going on. Vihvalikrita Chetasa. Chetasa is Chetas, that Tritiya. Vihval means somebody who is now he lost his whatever sense was there, Chetasa. So he became Vihval, means he is not in his senses now. Drishtam. Drishtam is your Kta. Chadura Mallena. Because Drishtam is a Bhut Kridanta. So here is coming the Chadura Mallena Tritiya. So Chadura Mallena Drishtam. What he Drishtam? What he saw? Shat Chandram Nabhastalam. So when Krishna attacked him by his hand, then he became like he got very big that whatever weight or blow. So because of that he became Vihvala, and when he fell on the earth, then he saw the sky, and his Chetas was like that, like he was vibrating, it was vibrating. So he saw 100 moons in the sky. So that it is trying to see. So if you take only one pada, then Shatachandram Nabhastalam, so definitely it will not make any sense and it will become a samasya. So that is what is here, and that's what is solved. Next is Subhashitam. Tyagaha gunaha vittavatam. So this O you can figure out, they are because of Visarga Sandhi. Tyagaha gunaha vittavatam. Vittavatam means one who has money, who are filled with money. Vittavatam. So for people who have money, for them gunaha is tyagaha. So if they have some donation kind of habit or not getting attached to, then it is their guna. Then next one is vittam tyagavatam gunaha. So tyagavatam is one who has left everything. So like sannyasi, or one who is not very much attached in money building or these worldly things. Tyagavatam, one who are full with tyaga. Like vittavatam is one who are filled with money. So tyagavatam is one who is having tyaga. So for them, vittam gunaha. So for them, the guna is vittam. If they have money, if people like this who are not attached to the physical world that much, if they have money, definitely they will use it for good reasons. That is what he is trying to tell. So if we see it again, tyagaha gunaha vittavatam. So first quarter it is telling, if rich people have some habit of donating or not getting attached, then it is their quality. because then second is telling vittam tyagavatam gunaha. So one who has already renounced everything, they are not attached. If they have money, then also that is their guna, because they will properly utilize the money. Paraspar viyuktau, samyuktau, viyuktau. So the two are there, so dvivachana. So paraspar means together, viyuktau, they don't come together. To with tyagau. So with tyagau is also dvivachana. So with tyagau, vitta and tyaga, they never come together. Viyuktau. And this is a vidambana. This is an irony. So what it is trying to tell at the end, that it would have been better if all the rich people had some habit of donating, and all the people who are good, they had some money. But there is a irony, or there is a problem, that vitta and tyaga, they don't come together. And that is what is the subhashitam. So if we see this, if rich have mind to give money away, it is indeed a merit. If generous people have enough money, this also is a merit. But wealth and generosity do not go together. This is ironical indeed. Yeah, you can make better translation than this, because with Tyagavatam you can make generous people is not, I think, a very apt translation. Anyway, it is not exact, so still you can write anything you want. न सा सभा यत्र न सन्ति वृद्धाः, वृद्धाः न ते ये न वदन्ति धर्मम्, धर्मो और धर्मः न वै यत्र च नास्ति सत्यम्, सत्यं न तत् तत् छल tat yach means tad yat, so that is yat becoming yach. Tat yach chalnanu viddham, one word. So there are so many types are getting explained here. Like sabha is a akarant strilinga, so that is why sa. Na sa sabha. Sabha is assembly. So court you can say, or vidvat sabha, where some learned people talk. That is sabha. So na sa sabha. So that is not a sabha. What? Yatra, where na santi vriddhaha. So in the sabha, that is not a sabha where there are no learned people. So, or you can say loosely elders. So here you can say yatra vriddhaah na santi sa sabha na. Now second thing comes, who are vriddha? How you will define them? Old aged, 45, 55, 65. So that it is explaining who are vriddha next. Vriddhaah na te. Te is again matching with vriddhaah. Te is sarvanama bahuvachan. So they are not vriddhaah. Who? Ye na vadanti dharmam. So ye dharmam na vadanti te vriddhaah na. So those who do not tell dharma, or do not favor, or do not talk dharma, they are not vriddha. Next is dharma na vai yatra cha nasti satyam. Dharma na vai. Dharma is not that. Which? Yatra, where cha na asti satyam, where truth is not there. So yatra satyam nasti tatra vai dharmo tatra dharmah na. So satyam Now Satyam is the thing which came after this, so we should define the Satyam. So if you see, first they defined Sabha or taken Sabha, not defined, then they told what is the mandatory condition to call a gathering as Sabha. So they said if there are some senior people. So now he tells who are the senior people? One who take the side of correct or dharma. So now he tells like what is dharma? So dharma is whatever dharma is, it should have truth. So now he is telling what is truth. The question is coming. So satyam na tat yat chalnanu vidham. So that is not truth where there is some chala, that is like avidham, that is covered with some chala. So if some chala is there, then that is not truth. So it should be crystal clear. That is the meaning of that. So this also is this one is simple one. So there is no sandhi, only this tat that became tad in this word, and when you will break it will become tat. Then yach. So yach became because cha was there. So because of that it became yach. It was yat. So they both are Vyanjana Sandhi. You will understand in next level. And otherwise it is very simple. Okay. So Ed Vruddhe. So this one dhatu is there for to grow. Ed. So that is Atmanepadi. Edhate. You can see there is Editaha, Edita, Edhamana. So this I think you are taking care of. Like if it was pat, then here you will see patan, patanti. So in case of ed, which is Atmanepadi, you will see edhamanah, edhamana. So this in the case of Atmanepadi, the continuous pratyaya is different. That is shanach. In case of Parasmaipadi, continuous pratyaya is different. That is shatru. So anyway, you haven't read it, so just know in case in question exam it comes. Otherwise, you will read in next level. So kuj is a kujati. Tuku, you know, like we say pikaha kujati. So that it is not like kakaha na kujati. So kujati tuku anyway in English it is clear. Kri to scatter. So kiryate kirati. And then is kramu is it's like krama, so abhyas krama, step. Kshamu from this comes the kshamate, kshamyate, that the to tolerate. So they all are kshanta, kshanta, kshantoan, kshantum, shamitum. Yeah, so they are simple only. Now we are coming to kavya katha. So last katha, what we ended it, that Sri Ram, along with others, they went to their loka in Saryu Nadi, and then after him, Kusha became the king. So now Kusha was not living in Ayodhya, so he was living at some different place. So how he ruled? So I think Lava was sent, that I haven't read, but whatever I heard that he was sent to fight somewhere far because some disturbance was there, and he went to what today is Pakistan is there. So he established a city there that is called as Lahore from his Lava, his name. And Kusha was living somewhere near, but he was not in Ayodhya. He changed in capital. So now Kusha became king, and now we are reading what happened after that. So Nripaha Kushaha Kushavati Nagare Vasati Sma. So King Kusha used to live in Kushavati city. Kadachit. Kadachit. So you can see here chit. So indefinite. Sometime Rajbhavane, in the palace. Kushaha, Kusha, Ratrau, in the night. Shayane Asit. So sometimes he was sleeping in the palace. Kusha was sleeping in the palace. Kintu Prabuddha eva asit. So he was not sleeping, he was just lying down, Shayane. But Prabuddha means he was kind of awake. He was not sleeping. Prabuddha eva asit. So he was still not slept. Tada, then, Ayodhyayaha, of Ayodhya, Adhidevata. So Devata is a striling word. So if you see in most of the uses, you will see Devata is a Pumlinga, but the word is Strilinga because it's a Akaranta. Adhidevata. Tatra Agachati. So he was kind of in just going to sleep but still awake, and that time so Ayodhya's Adhidevata came there, came or showed to himself to Kusha. Kusham Uddisya Vadati. So he's telling to Kusha, Pura is earlier. Ayodhyayam Marge. Marge is in the path. Whose? Ayodhya's. In Ayodhya's paths, Nupuranam Dhvanihi Sruyate Sma. Nupuras are what ladies wear in leg. So that what we call payal, like in Hindi they say. I don't know other. So
Anklet.
anklet. Yeah. So earlier in the roads of Ayodhya, Nupuranam Dhvanihi Shruyate Sma. So this is Shruyate is your Karmani. Idanim, so nowadays, Shrigala Nam, so that is jackals. So Shrigala Nam Amangal Ravaha. So like Kala Ravaha, this is Amangal Ravaha. So that is something which is not auspicious. That sound of jackals Shruyate, that sound is coming. What is trying to tell? Like it is abandoned now and nobody is living there. Gavakshaha. So Gavakshaha are the that balconies, you can say. And Krimi Tantu Jalaihi Achaditaha. So they are Krimi Tantu is cobweb, whatever we say, or spider, whatever that wire that she does that. So if nobody is living somewhere, so they kind of nature comes and takes it back. So that is what he is telling. So Gavakshaha, all the places from where light used to come or people used to see outside, those all are covered with some this kind of cobwebs. So evam, this way, Ayodhya Nagari Marubhumehe Avastham Praptavati. So like this, Ayodhya has become like a desert nowadays. Ataha, therefore, Punaha Agatya, after coming there again, Tatraiva Bhavan Vasatu. So you let means please you come back, and after coming there you stay there only. Like this, iti he spoke. So tataha kushaha shilpibhihi ayodhyam navikritya tatraiva vasam akarot. So after that, kusha means whatever was there, it he cleaned and all. So shilpibhi means all the people who are expert in making cities, buildings, roads. So he called them and he renovated Ayodhya, and after that Tatra eva, there itself, there only Vasam, he stayed Akarot. So Kushaha Kadachit Saryu Nadyam Jal Krinam Kritva Tatam Agatwan. So Kadachit again is coming, Chit is here. So sometime sometime back, Kusha went to play in water in Saryu Nadi, and after that, after playing, he came outside. on the bank of Saryu. Tasya haste, his hand, in his hand, haste saptami, Jaitra Bharanam. So Jaitra Abharanam, something, some jewelry, Jaitra Abharanam, Nama Valayam Asit. So like that, he had something, he wear something which was named as Jaitra Abharanam. Kintu tat jale eva prabhrashtam asit. So that was lost in the water itself. So tat abharanam janakena ramena dattam. So dattam, you see, dattam is our kata. So kata is karmani. So because of that, karta tritiya. And then visheshana visheshya is there. So tat abharanam, that jewelry, janakena ramena, Father Rama, given by Father Rama. That abharana was given by Father Rama. Abharanasya anveshanartham, to look for that particular abharana because it was so precious, because it was given by Rama. Kushaha bahu prayatnam kritvan. Kusha tried so much. Kintu abharanam na labdham, but he didn't found that particular jewelry. Kenapi apahritam. Kena api, kena is tritiya, by someone. Apahritam, it is stole by someone. Iti matva, iti, like this, matva means thinking. Garunastram vimoktum kushaha sannadhaha abhavat. So he thought somebody intentionally stole my this thing. So he started to like use some weapon against the person who stole that. Tada nagalokasya raja kumudaha kumudvatyasaha agachati. So then, so there is some other loka which is called as Nagloka, and his king was named as Kumudaha, came with Kumudavati. So Saha Yoge Tritiya. So whenever Saha is there, it will go in Tritiya. So Kumudavati is becoming Kumudivatya. So Kumudivatya Sah Agachati. Kusham Prati, towards Kusha. Rajan, O king, this is Sambodhana. Iyam Kumudvati Mama Anuja. So this Kumudvati, Iyam is for like Sa. Ayam, Iyam, Idam. So Iyam Kumudvati Mama Anuja. This Kumudvati is my Anuja, means Anu means after, Ja means born, and Akaran means striling. My younger sister. Sa Kanduken Kridanti Asit. So Kridanti is continuous. Kridan Kridanti. So Sa Kumudvati Kanduken Kridanti. She was playing with a ball. She was playing with a ball. Tada Bhavatah Jaitra Bharanam Asaditavati. So when she was playing the ball, then yours, Bhavata is Shashti, yours, Jaitra Bharanam, she got. Ataha idam Jaitra Bharanam Kanya Ratnam cha Svikuru. The lot. So he is telling, Ataha, therefore, idam Jaitra Bharanam. So idam, now it is used, iyam idam, because Jaitra Bharanam is Napumsaka. So this Jaitra Bharanam and cha Kanya Ratnam. So the like best among the girls, whatever Jaitra Bharan, that Kumudvati is, both Swikaru, please accept. Iti, like this, Kathitvan, he spoke. Anantaram, later, Kushaha Kumudvatim Parinitavan. So later he Kushaha married Kumudvati. Kushaha Kumudvatyaha cha Atithihi nama putraha jataha. So they, Kusha and Kumudvati, had a son named Atithihi. Atithihi Sakala Kalasu Parangataha. Sakala Kalasu Saptami, in all arts. Atithihi, that son. Parangataha. Parangataha means expert. Parangataha, that becomes Parangataha. Parangata means crossed. So Parangataha means somebody who excelled. So Kadachit, so again Kadachit is coming sometime. Kushaha Yuddhe Devanam Sahayam Kartum Devalokam Gatvan. So sometime Kusha went to help Devas, and he went to Devaloka. So if you see, all the Raghuvamshi kings are continuously going and participating in all the Deva Yuddha, Devdana Yuddhas and all. So tatra Durajaya namakena rakshasena saha yuddham akarot. So there he had fight with Rakshasa named Durjaya. Yadyapi, even though Yuddhe Durjayaha mritaha, he was able to kill Durjaya. Durjaya got died. Kintu tasmin eva yuddhe kushaha api mritaha. But in that tasmin eva, in that itself, yuddhe, whatever war, kushaha api, kusha also mritaha, died. Patni kumudvati chitarohanam kritvati. Patni Kumudvati went to Chita. So one thing we have to remember, that this is written by Kalidasa. So this is written in some different times. So all the authenticity you should think as per that time only. Don't compare this with the Valmiki Ramayana, because Valmiki Ramayana is written in the time of Sri Rama itself, and this is written by centuries later by some poet. So poets are free to use their imagination, and they may twist certain scenes as per that days, because end of the day they have to sell their poetry. Somebody will listen, some king or something, so it should be some realistic in that times. So like today, whoever writes a poetry, some part of the present is there in that, even though plot may not be the present current day's plot. So just whenever you are reading, just don't take this as Valmiki Ramayana. So tataha, after that, sarve amatyaha means sachivaha, secretaries, mantrinaha, so all mantrinaha militva together, putrasya sons, atithehe of atithi, pattabhishekam kritvantaha. So they made him, they did their coronation. So this today's story is stopping here. So okay, we'll come to now our Anvaya. सह कामम् अनवाप्यैव रामपादावुपस्पृशन् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यं रामागमनकाङ्क्षया. So here the context is last time Bharata was there and he was asking Rama he was telling like Tvameva Raja Dharmajya. So you only are the king of Ayodhya, you come and take your throne back. But Rama said like, I will not come because I have promised my father. So what he did, he had given Paduke Nyasam Rattva Punaha Punaha. So again and again he persuaded Bharata to go back, and he said, if you also don't want to become king, I cannot become king because I have already promised. So take my sandals and make them as a representative, and you become representative of mine and rule the kingdom, because kingdom requires someone to take care of. So we are starting from here. So now what happens after that is this shloka. Saha kamam anavapya eva. So if you see Sandhi, saha kamam. So here one a was left with kamam. Anavapya. So that is our Lebanta eva. So eva, because of the vriddhi, it is becoming yaiva. Vriddhi is happening. Then Ram Padau. So padau, and then au, if after au any swara is there, so ayadi sandhi will happen. So for au, it will become av. Av will come here. So av, so it becomes padav. Then upasprishan. So now upasprishan will come and join here because va is not having any swara. So Ram Padau Upasprishan, when you will break it. Nandigrame Saptami. So then Avagraha is there. So Akarot. Ta is becoming da because of one Vyanjana Sandhi. So Akarot Rajyam Ram Agaman Ramagaman. So here inside there is actually this one is complete word because there is no separate vibhakti we can figure out after breaking the sandhi. But to understand, because in the combined word also there are inside sandhis. So here you can see Ram Agaman Kankshaya. So Ram Agaman Kankshaya. So these are the internal breakings. So now let's see how to make it means in prose order. So the Tingant means proper verb is akarot. So you can start thinking like kaha akarot. So bharataha akarot. So here bharataha is not there. So anvaya is made from the words which are in the shloka only. So saha akarot. So we have a initial sentence. But here is one lep pratyaya also. So it is telling another kriya is there that is happening before akarot. So that is what? Kamam anavapya. So kamam is desired, desire. Anavapya means without getting. So saha kamam anavapya rajyam akarot. You can make the first level sentence like this. So he ruled the kingdom after not getting whatever he wished for. What he wished for? He wished for that Rama should come back and take his kingdom back. So he did not got that. So anavapya. Kamam, this was his wish. So now how he was doing the kingdom is rest all the sentences. They will come and fit. So sa kamam anuvapya rajyam akarot. So now you can say Rama Padav Upasprishan. So Upa means near, Sprishan means sprishan is continuous. So Gachan, Swasan, so Pathan, Sprishan. So Upasprishan, so touching near means sitting near, you can say, or before you can say Rama Padav. So Rama Padav is both the feet of Rama. Upasprishan, touching. Nandigrame. So where? In the Nandigrama. And what other thing is remaining? That is the Kankshaya. So you can put it before that. Ram Agaman Kankshaya. Agaman is return. Ram is Ram. Kankshaya is wish in Tritiya. So he Saha Rajyam Akarot. He ruled the kingdom. Then you can say Saha Kamam Anvapya Rajyam Akarot. He ruled the kingdom after not getting his wish. Then you can say Saha Kamam Anvapya Ram Padav Upasprishan Rama Agaman Kankshaya Nandigrame Rajyam Akarot. So the meaning should be very clear. So next is Gate tu Bharate Shriman Satyasandho Jitendriyah Ramastu Punaralakshya Nagarasya Janasya Cha Tatragamanam Ekagro Tandakan Praviveshaha. So there are three ones. So Gate tu Bharate. Again this is Sati Saptami. So he is telling the time in comparison with some other time. So Gate tu Bharate. So once Bharata went. After that what happened? Sriman. Sriman is one who has Shri. Shri is, we know, like Shri is a you can say Lakshmi as a basic this thing, but otherwise you can see it's a very some very nice quality, because that we need to go in the derivation and then we can have the exact meaning. So man is like Dhanwan, Buddhiman. So Shriman is somebody who has Shri, and similarly Shrimati. So one who has Shri is, if feminine, then Shrimati, if masculine, then Shriman. Satyasandhaha. Satyasandhaha means who stays on the truth. Jitendriyaha. So Jit Indriyaha, one who has won his Indriyas. So if you see Shriman, Satyasandhaha, Jitendriyaha are in Prathama. Ramaha. So here Ramas is there. So Ramaha, that is because of Sandhi. Tu. Punara Lakshya. So Punar Ra is there. So you can guess like this is because of Visarga. So Punaha, then Ra will go. Punaha Alakshya. Alakshya Nagarasya Janasya Cha. So here Shashti is visible, so there you can understand. Tatra Agamanam. Tatra Agamanam Ekagraha Dandakan Pravivesha. So so here you can read, they also has written, this is special uses known as Sati Saptami, has to be taken Anvaya as is. So actually this should have been taught and then used anyway. So now, so Pravivesh, what is the verb here? It's a Pravivesh. So he entered. Pravivesh means he entered. Where he entered? Dandakan. So Dandakan means Dandaka forest. So as of now, they were living in Chitrakuta. Chitrakuta is nowadays, it's on border of UP and MP. But most part where he lived, it is in MP, so near Mandakini river. So from there, now he is coming down. So he is coming towards our side. So that is Dandaka forest. So there are many. So means it is set of forest. So Dandakan. So he Dandakan Pravivesh. He entered in Dandakan. Why he entered? Let's see now. Who entered? First question is who entered? So Ramaha Dandakan Pravivesh. Kidrishaha Ramaha. So what other are in the Prathama you will figure out. Shriman Ramaha Dandakan Pravivesh. Shriman Satyasandhaha Ramaha Dandakan Pravivesh. Again you have one more. So Shriman Satyasandhaha Jitendriyaha Ramaha Dandakan Pravivesh. Then one other Ekagra also is in Prathama. So you can say Shriman Satyasandhaha Jitendriyaha Ekagraha Ramaha Dandakan Pravivesh. So these many sentences are used. Now question is why he left from Chitrakuta and entered in Dandakana? Tatra Agamanam Punaralakshya. So Punaha is again Alakshya. Alakshya is again Levanta. So he got an idea like they now Bharata and Ayodhya people know like where I am staying. So they all will keep coming to me. And this way I will not be able to obey my father's or Kaikeyi's order properly. Like you should not be in touch. So that is what is there. Punaha alakshya. So he knew like they will come back again. Who? Nagarasya Janasya. Janasya is people. Nagarasya means of city. So people of city will come again. Tatra agaman. They will come there again. Ekagra. Ekagra means one mind. He decided, like firmly he decided, like these people will come again. So because of that, he left from there and entered in Dandaka forest. And when he entered, when this all happened, Gate tu Bharate. When Bharata returned. So then, when Bharata returned, then he gave a thought, Sri Rama gave a thought like these people now know my place, so they will keep on coming. Punaha they will keep on coming. So it is better to move on from here. So because of, and he decided it firmly, and then he moved down from there and he entered in Dandaka forest. So Dandaka forest starts from no exact boundary, but MP, after MP towards Maharashtra, all those places, and coming down to Andhra, that all was in Dandaka forest. Okay, so we'll come here now. Anuvada Paddhati. This already, I don't know why they are having this. Same time again and again, there. Same things again and again is repeated here. So Aham Grantham Pathaniyam. So it is trying to teach you the same thing. So he is telling like how to use Pathaniyam is Tavyata. So it's used in Karmani. So when you will use in Karmani, then Karma has to be in Prathama and the Karta has to be in Tritiya. So Aham Grantham Pathaniyam will be wrong. So if any time you are translating, I must read this book. So you should not convert indirectly in Sanskrit like Aham Grantham Pathaniyam, because the Pathaniyam thing you are using is not fit for this kind of uses. If you want to use Aham, you look for another Vidhi kind of words, so that you can get from Vidhilinga. So these all are Saha Gramam Gantavyam. All of them are having similar issues. Vayam Sarve Shraddham Darshaniyam. Balakah Phalam Khadaniyam. Tvam Dosham Na Karaniyam. So all of them are wrong. So now this you know how many times there I didn't make sense to convert Tritiya Prathama Ditiya. This is simple also. I will come to Sangrahya Vishaya. So today we are looking for the set of 10. So Disha is directions. So there are 10 directions. So 4 are normal directions which we use in our normal daily uses: east, west, north, south. Then comes the 4 corners. So that is Agneya, Nairitya, Vayavya, Ishanya. Ishanya is the corner of north and east. Vayavya, I'm not very sure, but Vayavya is north and east. That should be north and west. Vayavya. Then Agneya is okay. I'm not sure. So you, yes, that this all, I think who knows that our Vastu, they may know.
Vastu.
Yeah, know it proper. Anyway, the 4 directions are 4 plain directions. Next 4 are the 4 corners. Then 2 urdhva means top. Adhas, adhaha. The root word is adhas. Adhas means down. So up, down. So 4 main direction, 4 corners, up, down. Together there are 10 directions. Then comes Dashopanishadaha. Dasha Upanishadaha. So these are the 10 Upanishadah. So why 10? Because there are many. So 10 are main Upanishadas. How they are main? Because Shankaracharya has written Bhashya for these 10 Upanishads. So remembering this, there is a shloka in last Pravesha you have already read. Ishakena Katha Prasna Mundamandukya Taittiri Aitareyam cha Chandogyam Brihadaranyakam tatha. So remembering this will be very easy. So Dasha Danani. Danam is giving something, donating. So there are 10 kind of danas. So Godana. So you might have heard this word Godana. So donation of cow. Bhudana, giving of land. So cow and land, they were given as part of when you do some yajna or something. So they are given to those people who don't accumulate money or something. So mostly Brahmins, and Brahman means if you see not by birth one, so it is to those who are doing the Brahman karma, living in forest, teaching students, not accumulating money, they are Brahmins. So not just born. Then Tila Dana. Tila is mostly given in Tarpana, like when Pitru Tarpana and all. Hiranya is gold. Ajya is I know, but I don't remember currently. Vasas, Dhanya, Gud, Rupya, Lavana. Lavana is salt, Guda is sweet, jaggery. Others, Dhanya is grains. Other ones we need to check. Then comes the tradition sloka. So while feeding the cow, what what kind of feeling one should have in his own or her own head is depicted by this shloka. Surabhihi Vaishnavi Mataha Surabhihi Vaishnavi Mataha Suraloke Mahiyase ग्रास मुष्टिः मया दत्ता सुरभे प्रतिगृह्यताम्. So the verb is pratigrihyatam. So by feeling you can say vandatam, vandyatam. So karmani verb pratigrihyatam. So accept, please accept, lot lakara. Surabhe, surabhe is for when you are addressing. So O surabhi, surabhe. Grass mushtihi. Grass is real grass. So both places grass. Mushti is one mushti, fist. Maya datta, given by me, karmani. Maya, by me, datta, given. So grass mushti maya datta surabhe pratigrihyatam. So O surabhe, one mushti grass I am giving, kindly accept. So before that is what? Surabhihi Vaishnavi Mataha. So O Vaishnavi Mata is for mother, Vaishnavi mother, Surabhi. So Surabhihi Vaishnavi Mata. Suraloke, in the God's place, Suraloke or Swarga. Mahiyase. Mahiyase means Mahan. From that it is means you are respected. So you are great there also. So one who is respected in Suraloka, even that Surabhi, that mother, I am giving a some grass to you, kindly accept it. So this is the Sangrahya Vishaya. So yes, I think this with this ninth chapter is covered. We'll take some questions and exercises.